Did you know that Linux powers most of the internet, from servers to routers? Learning Linux can boost your career prospects in IT and software development. In this article, we will explore why learning Linux could be one of the best decisions you make. Firstly, let's understand what Linux is. Linux is an open-source operating system similar to Windows and Mac OS. It serves as the core of the connections between software, hardware, and applications. A significant portion of the Internet's infrastructure, including routers and servers, is based on Linux. Therefore, if you want to learn more about how the software that drives your system works, Linux is an excellent choice. It is also a great OS for learning networking and security. If you have always wanted to learn to code, the best way is on a Linux system. Learning Linux is accessible and can be done through online courses, reading articles, watching videos, or using apps. You can learn the basics of the Linux operating system in just a few days and its system architecture and command line in a few weeks. In conclusion, learning Linux can open up a world of opportunities whether you are interested in IT, software development, cybersecurity, or want to understand more about the technology you use daily. So, should you learn Linux? Absolutely. If you found this article helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Please feel free to comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.